hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Right, today's date beta 25-2-2021. We are doing block 25 road safety. This is our last block and we are doing last workbook page S4 traveling by bus. There are two paragraphs in your workbook. Take out that. First we will read our reader, then we will do our workbook. Take out your reader.
Now beta, see, turn to page number 156. This is our last one. We are doing S4, no children. Travel by bus. This is our last page of the reader, children. Page number 156. Now see, last topic, traveling by bus. How do you travel from home to school? Many students take a bus to school. There are also some safety rules to follow while traveling by bus. While waiting for the bus, form a queue while waiting for the bus. Don't push anyone. Wait for your turn to board. Board means what, children? To get in, children. See here. This is known as board. We should form a queue to board the bus. They are standing in queue to board the bus, to enter the bus. See page number 157. Next, don't play at the bus stop or step on the road because it blocks traffic and is extremely dangerous. While boarding and getting off the bus, don't try to catch the bus by running towards or behind it. Always board the bus only at the bus stop and not at the traffic light or any other place. Always allow people to get off before boarding the bus. Means it's telling here, children, don't catch the running bus. Don't run and catch the bus. While running, don't catch the handle of the bus. Okay, and while getting down also, don't get down from the running bus. Okay, wait for the bus to stop in the bus stop. Then you can board the bus. Next, while on the bus, inside the bus, do not make noise as it may distract the driver. Never stand or sit on the footboard of the bus. And always hold the handrail until you get a seat. Never put your hand, head or any part of the body outside a bus. After getting off, wait for the bus to leave before crossing the road. While standing, children, don't talk when you are in bus. You may distract the driver. Don't do the noise. Next is telling that wait for the bus to stop, then only you get down. Next is telling that when you are standing, there are many handles to hold, children. Hold that and stand is telling. Next, yellow color one. Did you know? First week of January is celebrated as Road Safety Week. During this week, a number of activities are undertaken to spread the message of road safety, such as painting and drawing competition, exhibition, road rules test, scooter rally to encourage the use of helmets, debates on road safety, workshop and seminar. It's telling that first week of January will celebrate Road Safety Week, children. What you'll do? They will do these all types of things to show how it is safety for us. Okay, these are your meanings and glossaries. We'll discuss in next class. Take out your workbook now. See, children, write today's date 25-2-2021. Traveling by bus. There are two paragraphs. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Read the situation in the box and answer the question. Little Seema was waiting for the bus with her mother. When she saw the bus coming, she jumped off the pavement. Pavement means where you'll stand, near footpath. She lost her balance and fell on the road. The bus driver was alert and quickly applied the brake, bringing the bus to a stop. Luckily, the bus did not hit Seema and she escaped only with a scratched knee. What caused the accident? Seema jumped off from the pavement and fell in front of the bus. This caused her injury. Next one, he's asking you a question as paragraph question. What safety rules can be followed to avoid such accident? We should patiently wait for the bus and not play near the road. This is our first paragraph, question and answer. Second paragraph. Kavita liked to put her hands out of the bus window to wave the people on the road. One day as she was waving, the bus driver had to take a sharp turn in order to avoid hitting a cyclist on the road. Kavita's hand hit the tree on the side of the road and she injured it very badly. You should not keep your head out of the window, children. See what caused the accident. Kavita put her hand out of the window while traveling in the bus. This caused the accident. Next one. What safety rules can be followed to avoid such accidents? We should never put our hands, head or any part of the body out of the window while traveling in a bus. See children, these are the answers I have written for you. Read and write. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Complete your workbook, beta. This is your last page of your workbook.